I'm on my way to the airport, but listen, there is breaking news. I haven't even officially announced this on here, and y'all have absolutely already went feral for the Rose and Ben Beauty C42 brush. It has finally been released. You can shop it here. We're a family here, and y'all mean the absolute world to me. Now, I don't want to ever cause hype, but y'all are so wonderful that y'all were stalking the site already yesterday. And a few of you, and by a few, I mean quite a bit, have already got this. And we didn't expect for y'all to be sneaking around like that. So I'm saying all of that because it is almost sold out. I'm so excited for y'all to get this brush. Y'all are you're gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely love it. And I'm gonna do a very quick tutorial today. I do need to be on my way to the airport. I'm going on a business trip for Rose and Ben Beauty. More fun things. I love y'all. And I just wanna say thank you. Thank you for your support. And I'm just so grateful that you love the brushes. And remember, we have the brushes, but I'm always here to help you with makeup, with how to use brushes. These brushes actually do come with instructions. So I'm just gonna start today by applying mascara. I do like to curl my lashes. This is my favorite lash curler, and I've tried all of them, the fancy ones. And this one is my fave, and it's from Kevyn Aucoin. But I do like to hold it on here about 15 to 20 seconds. But I'm really not pressing that hard. I don't feel this at all. I'm being very gentle, but I'm holding it for 20 seconds. By Terry Mascara. I don't know if y'all have seen what I'm gonna show you when I'm done with my mascara. And I know that it looks really gimmicky, what I'm going to show you. It is not a gimmick. I have had it. I'll talk about it in the next slide, but for right now I'm gonna roll. I'm too excited because I like it so much. This is still my favorite mascara though. So pretty. So do you know how we are totally cool with lash primers? Okay, we love lash primers, but actually I don't love lash primers. They've never really done enough for me, and because I feel like they just kind of make the lashes heavy for me. If yours is working, please never just go off what I'm saying and being like, oh, I shouldn't use it, it's not good. No, if it's working, it's amazing, and they just don't work for me. But something that is really and truly working for me is this. I've had this since November. Yes, November. Yes, no, October. I have been testing this since October. Have y'all seen this? The MAC Lash Dry Shampoo? Science. It's just a little bottle of science. So I wouldn't apply this till a little bit later. I like to let my mascara dry and then I would refresh the lashes. What it does, I actually filmed some videos for MAC. You're gonna see it not being an ad. This is not an ad. I love this stuff. But what it does, it reactivates mascara because I never relayer my mascara. It will get flaky on me if I try to relayer it. And just kind of layering it once it's dry with your regular mascara just gets a little too crunchy, a little too, y'all know what I'm saying, lizard hands. This works. It works. It's wonderful. You're going to see in the videos. I'll even hop on here later. I'll come on here later. That'll be really good because this is going with me. I think I'm on. I'm speechless because I wasn't able to talk about this for so long, and I just know that y'all are going to love it. I know you're going to look at it and go, I don't need that. But I mean, we're so cool with lash primers. I like this more. Anyways, before it cut me off, I was saying I really love this more than a lash primer. Trust me, I was so skeptical. And they were like, no, you have to try it. And like I said, I have been keeping this a secret since October. That's how long I've been using it. You're gonna love it. Plus, I love the packaging. And I love the shape of this. It's really, really nice because you'll see later. Like I said, I'll just hop on later and show you. You really need to roll this through, which we already talk about when we apply our mascara anyways. But the handle is wonderful too. Okay, I'm done. I just got excited and wanted to share it with y'all because I finally can. Okay, we're gonna do powder foundation. So I'm gonna use this underneath my eyes. my Elemis oil. I'll put a little bit here too. Nice, let's let that sink in. Give it 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna grab some of this and we're gonna lock that in. This is the Elemis eye mask that I always use. I'll grab from over here. Kind of just locks everything in. And I'm headed to LA and it's dry there. It's real dry. So I'm taking both of these. I'm not taking any chances. I will not be a cradustal. So while I have you here, the C42, which is this one, this is a blush brush. The density, the shape, and even how large it is. This is quite large compared to this one. This one's gonna fit into the smaller areas of the face. This, I really never intended for this to be a foundation brush, but it did work, but it wasn't, it's just not a foundation brush. Density, shape, size, not a foundation brush, but you served a great purpose. But it was a great blush brush. It's the blush brush. I can't even think of a time before this when I would put on blush. But let's talk about this one. Now, while this one is the blush brush, I mean, just look at the difference there and the size, everything. We needed something smaller for foundation because this could even be too large for some people's faces. Some people have very small face. This would be too large. This is what we needed, okay? And I'm actually gonna use powder foundation today. This works with creams, liquids, powders, anything. So I'm gonna do 3 swipes into my powder foundation that I can't show you because it hasn't released, but it's amazing and you're gonna love it. And I'm just gonna start to press. And because of all of the excitement, I've had a little bit of a cheek flare up here. So you're gonna get, oh, good Lord, that looks like a filter. You're gonna get to see me cover that. I'm gonna go back in, 1, 2. Doug is mad. Look at how beautiful that looks. I might actually use that redness to my advantage today and just use that as blush. Now I do want you to see how you can build with this brush. And just look at how smoothly it applies everything. But I don't really have to convince y'all. Y'all have seen it for 6 or 7 months. But it is fun to be able to talk about it. Ooh, that looks so nice. Look at that. It's like a filter over here. And then it is still small enough to fit underneath here if we're in a rush. Haha! And look at how it even fits here. Easy peasy. Now we can do this side of the face. This looks so good. I can't wait for y'all to try the powder foundation too. We just got a whole array of good stuff over here today. I'm just gonna use that to my blushy advantage today. But I do want y'all to notice that I always kind of start on the jawline and then I start to work my way up. I'm so excited for y'all to try this brush. It's so good. Forgot to do my bottom lashes here. It actually helps to kind of look down a little bit to do this. Gives you a little bit more control. Also because you're able to hold the wand more at an angle when you do it this way. Turn this side. It's still at an angle, but it's going to be pointed down. Let's do a little brown wingy situation here. This is my favorite brown liquid liner. Just add some spice for the airport here. So I think I might be able to tell y'all about the powder foundation while I'm traveling. So I'm definitely taking it with me. So I'll keep you updated. Let's do a smidge of powder bronzer. Is that closed? Yeah, I try to keep my best to keep this closed. This is from Patrick Ta, and I do like this bronzer a lot. Just a little bit. Ben's downstairs packing. I need to pack my phone stand here and my mirror. I should be good to go. My makeup's already packed. Kind of packing makeup as I go because we're going to be doing tutorials. I got my pants on. Yeah, but I need the top. Okay, but I got pants on. I'm not going to apply blush because the excitement from the past, I guess, 2 days getting ready for this, a little spiced in my cheeks. Good spice, but we're just going to skip blush today. My cheeks are too warm. Listen, ColourPop, we need you to bring this color back immediately. We need it. We have to have it. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of definition. This is also from ColourPop. It's their Lippy pencil. Yeah, the shade is Oh Snap. Now, I have to go get on a plane, but I have a feeling that by the time I land, this is gonna be sold out. I love y'all so much. I'm definitely posting tonight. I need to get my time zones under control. Let me go. Actually, I need to go edit that so we have that all queued up and ready to go because I get traveling and I don't know what time zone I'm in and then I'm not posting. But just so you know, the time that I normally post is 7 p.m. Central Time. Monday through Friday for sure. I skip Saturday, but I post Sundays. It's a blur. Y'all know that I have been doing these daily story tutorials Monday through Friday. I don't even know how long, 4 years straight? Wild. Since 2017 or 18. 5 years. Time is flying. I love y'all so much. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for y'all to get the brush. So many of you already have ordered it. It's shipped for a lot of you. And we're gonna have a feral good time with this foundation brush. Okay, I have to go. Really have to go. I could sit here all day with you, but I have to go. I love you so much. I'll definitely see you in the comments tonight.